Do you ever panic when the waiter speaks English? You sit down at a restaurant, you feel excited, but then they ask you a question, and suddenly you forget all your words.
That feeling is so common. Your mind just goes blank. If that sounds familiar, then you are in the right place.
Welcome to English Learning Lounge.
A calm place to practice English without pressure.
Let's start with our little ritual. Just take a slow breath.
And together, let's say, you're learning.
And you're doing fine.
Okay, today's episode is all about restaurants and food. And remember, you can always slow down the video to match your own English level. There is no rush at all. Learn at the pace that feels comfortable for you.
Exactly. So, Sarah, what are we teaching today?
Today, we are going to learn how to order food confidently. We will learn basic phrases, food vocabulary, how to talk about what you like, and even some tips for fast food restaurants.
Fantastic. I'm already hungry. Let's start.
Okay, Section 1, Basic Restaurant Phrases. These are the first things you need. Mike, are you ready to do a little role play? You be the customer, I'll be the waiter.
I was born ready. Okay, so I walk into the restaurant. Hello, a table for two, please.
Of course. This way, please. Here are your menus.
Thank you. I see the menu. Okay, I'm ready now. I would like to order.
Certainly. What would you like?
I will have the pasta. Okay, now imagine I have eaten my delicious pasta. The food was great. Can we have the bill, please?
Here you are.
Thank you. Can I pay by card?
Yes, of course. Great job, Mike. And for our listeners, those 5 phrases are so useful. A table for two, please. Can I see the menu? I would like to order. Can we have the bill, please? And can I pay by card?
Simple and effective. I like it.
Right. Now for Section 2, Food Vocabulary. To order food, you need to know some words for food.
The best kind of words.
Exactly. Let's start with meals. In the morning, we eat breakfast. Around noon, we have lunch. And in the evening, we have dinner.
Breakfast, lunch, dinner. Got it.
Then, in a restaurant, a meal has courses. The first small dish is a starter.
Like a soup or a small salad.
Exactly. The big main dish is the main course, and the sweet dish at the end is dessert.
Dessert is my favorite course, and my second favorite, and my third favorite.
I know you love sweets, Mike. Okay, some other useful words are drinks like water, juice, or soda, and common foods like chicken, fish, salad, rice, pasta, and soup.
Chicken, fish, salad, rice, pasta, and soup. I could eat all of that right now.
Let's move on before Mike eats his microphone. Section 3, talking about preferences. This is important if you have special requests.
Right, like if you don't like something or can't eat it.
Yes, you can say things like, I like spicy food, or I don't eat meat. A simple way to say this is, I'm vegetarian.
Vegetarian, that's a good word.
You can also ask for something to be removed. For example, without onions, please. Or in a coffee, no sugar, please.
Without onions, very important for me. Can we do a mini role play for this? I have a special request.
Of course. I'm the waiter again. Are you ready to order?
Yes, I would like the chicken salad, but can I have it without onions, please?
No problem. Chicken salad without onions. And to drink?
Water, no ice, please.
Perfect. See how easy that was? You just add please at the end.
It felt very natural. Okay, what's next?
Section 4, Asking Questions. It is perfectly okay to ask the waiter for help.
Oh, this is a good one. Sometimes the menu is confusing.
Right? If you don't know what to choose, you can ask, what do you recommend? This means, what do you think is good?
That's a great question. The waiter knows the food best.
You can also ask about the food itself. For example, is this spicy? Or for allergies, does this have nuts?
Does this have nuts? That could be very important for some people.
Yes, and one more. If you can't finish your food, you can ask, "Can I have this to go?" This means you want to take the food home in a box.
To go. I like that phrase. For example, "Excuse me, the steak is fantastic, but I can't eat it all. Can I have this to go?"
That's a perfect way to say it, polite and clear.
Okay, I feel ready for a fancy restaurant. What about something more casual?
Good question. That brings us to section 5, fast food English. This is a bit different. It's quicker.
Right, no waiters here. You just go to the counter.
Exactly. A common question they ask is, for here or to go? This means, will you eat here in the restaurant or take it away?
Ah, okay. So I can answer, "For here, please," or "To go, please."
Perfect. When you order, you can be more direct. For example, a medium fries, please, or I'd like a burger and a drink.
Okay, time for a fast food role play. I'm hungry for a burger. You work at the counter.
Okay, I'm ready. Next customer, please. Hi, what can I get for you?
Hi, I'd like a cheeseburger and a small soda, please.
Okay, for here or to go?
To go, please, and no ice in the soda, please.
Sure thing. That'll be $5.50.
Fun. That was fast and easy.
Now for section 6, cultural tips. This is about being polite.
Always important.
Definitely. The magic words are please and thank you. Use them a lot.
Yes. Can I have the menu, please? And when they bring it, thank you.
Perfect. Also, to get a waiter's attention, don't shout. Just try to make eye contact and say, "Excuse me."
Excuse me. Gentle and polite.
And finally, tipping. In some countries, like the United States, it is common to leave extra money for the waiter called a tip. But in other countries, it is not necessary. It's a good idea to check the local custom.
That's a very helpful tip about tipping.
Nice one, Mike. Okay, last section. Section 7, common mistakes. Let's correct a few things we often hear.
Great idea. What's the first one?
Many learners say, "I want pizza." It sounds a little rude in English. A more polite phrase is, "I would like pizza," or "I'll have pizza."
I would like. That sounds much nicer.
Another one is, "Give me water." This sounds like a command. It's better to ask, "Can I have water, please?"
Ah, so "can I have" is the polite way to ask for something.
Yes. And finally, some people say, "I take chicken." The natural way to say this when ordering is, "I'll have the chicken," or "I would like the chicken."
I'll have. That's short for I will have. It's easy and sounds very natural.
It does. Wow, we have covered so much. Now let's do some guided practice. We will say a sentence, and you, our listener, can repeat it.
Ready? Okay, I'll go first. Repeat after me. I would like a coffee.
My turn. Repeat, "Can I see the menu?"
And one more. This is a nice compliment. Repeat. The food is delicious.
Great practice, everyone. You are building confidence with every sentence.
Okay, I think it's time for a quick recap. What did we learn today, Sarah?
Today, we learned everything you need for a restaurant. We started with basic phrases for ordering and paying.
And key food vocabulary: starter, main course, dessert, my favorite.
We also learned how to ask questions and make special requests, like without onions. We even covered fast food English and important cultural tips.
And we fixed some common mistakes, so now you can sound more natural and polite.
That's right. The next time you are in an English-speaking restaurant, we want you to feel calm and ready. Don't worry about being perfect. Just try.
People are usually very kind and patient. You can do this.
Remember, every time you practice, you get a little bit better. Thank you for joining us in the English Learning Lounge.
That's all for today. And never forget, calm English is confident English.
If you found this episode helpful, we would love it if you subscribed. It helps us create more lessons for you. Until next time, take care.